600.
For so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Good morning, y'all. So, well, let's see. Oh yeah, it's only 10:30. Happy Friday. So today I decided that I wanted to get glammed up and go out. Okay, so I plan to go to the movies and to dinner with my friends and my family. So we're going to see The Color Purple, and I'm going to take you guys along with me as much as I can. I've heard some good and some bad things about it. Of course, I grew up watching The Color Purple, and I'm excited. Like, regardless if it's a musical or not, I'm always in between like musical type movies, but I'm not opposed to them. So I'm expecting to love the movie, but I will keep you guys posted. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. I've already got my little wig slayed, as you can see. My curls are pinned, and I'm just gonna do my makeup and we'll go from there.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Galentine, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Galentine, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity. Even though
Alright, y'all, for the most part, I'm done with this makeup. The face is facing honey. I just got to do my lips, and then I'll come back and show you guys the hair pull down and everything. I kind of only have about 10 minutes left on my SD card, and I'm trying to keep it all here. So yeah, I will be back in a minute and show y'all the final look. Get into this look, honey. if somebody don't snatch me up and take me out to dinner for Valentine's Day, he ain't shit. Just kidding. But oh my god, it came out so nice. This is like the second time I've had this little, well, make sure it won't hide. What would have been this curling wand, a detachable. It's the brand is ISO Professionals, and I think it's a 5-piece if I'm not mistaken, but they have different, like really small up into this is the largest one that I got. And I think I've used it one time, but not like a full head, just to curl like the ends. So I'm like, you know what, I want some big voluptuous wavy type curls, and I don't feel like messing with a curling iron. So perfect. So glad I decided. So this is a look. I'm gonna go and finish recording some content. Yeah, I don't know if I showed you guys what's on my lips, but I did a combination of a thing. So I used a brown liner, and then I always use my Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump to give me a little, okay? And then I top it with, or put on top of that the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Yummy in the color, I think it's Havana Good Time 500 Havana Good Time. Can't see that. And then I decided to just put a little bit in the middle and let it do its thing of the Huda Beauty liquid matte. It's supposed to be matte, but it's a really pretty color, both matte and glossy. But I put this on top. It's the Queen of Sheba. Perfect. So that's what I have on top, and yeah, I am super duper excited, or happy, super excited with this look, the way it turned out. So now I'm gonna go and put some clothes on and record some content. And if you haven't already, follow me on my TikTok, because that's where I'll probably put the content. Alright, see y'all later. My room is a mess, and these are the shoes I'm thinking about wearing. Yeah, just to dress it up. A little side bang, little number. But yeah, and I'm gonna. This is such a cute little outfit. I think it's a cute little look. So I did the Bottega dupes, and I have on my normal gold chains, and then I added this little heart piece right here, and just a tiny bit of arm candy and a couple rings.
So Kenya, what else you want to eat?
I like everything. I can eat any and everything. I've been wanting some cheesecake factory. There's one.
What they selling now?
Everything. They got so much on that menu you wouldn't even know what to eat, but most of it be good. It don't be
Turn right, and then turn right.
So we're on the way to see the color purple.
Make a U-turn, because sometimes retracing your steps is necessary.
Making no U-turn. I'm gonna just go this way.
Make a U-turn, because sometimes retracing your steps is necessary.
Like I can go there.
In 0.1 miles, turn right, and then turn right. Turn right, and then turn right.
All right, we made it to the movies. You want? Say hey to the vlog thing, Bonnie. Mama, say hey to my vlog. Hi. We're on the way to see the color purple. Okay, this is how we. Hold on.
what I'm saying? Yeah, up to my vlog.
Knows me fully and still closely holds your plan is intricate, weave together perfectly, it unfolds, and I need you each moment. Oh, that I would know the peace that you bestow deep down in my soul. In every moment, surrounded all alone, when all creation groans, I will sing of oh, friend, I wish you
Oh, hi, Taya. Uh-oh. Too close in. Nothing. I thought Tashana was here. It's not nothing wrong with it. It's okay. Say hey to the vlog. But my eyebrows, like everything else is fine. Okay. Like me? Okay, I won't. And I'm gonna do it to go order, but I don't know how to.
I can do it later after I'm done with it.
Okay, cool. I want the snow crab boil-based special, and I want the boil-based special, and I want Asian and none. Ooh, spicy. And an egg, one. And then I want Cajun fried rice and hush puppies.
You want all three meats? Yeah. You want all three meats? Cajun, and the Cajun fried rice, chicken, shrimp, and sausage?
Is it extra? I want whatever it
I got you. I got you.
there's no end to what God can do. Come see it firsthand, His promises are true, and I need Him each moment. I have come to know the peace that He bestows deep down in my soul. In every moment, surrounded all alone, when all creation groans, I will sing of how could we hope for what is already seen? We ourselves grown inwardly, as eagerly we await to be adopted as God's children, redeemed. And by this hope we have been saved. But who can praise God from the grave? So we will rise upon that day, glorifying your name above all names. I need Him each moment. I have come to know the peace that He bestows deep down in my soul. In every moment, surrounded all alone, when all creation groans, I will sing of
Food was delicious.
We love a good boil.
Exactly. We ain't going to another boil in the next 6 months. Every time we do something, it's got to be boiled.
the tobacco company. Hey, y'all try that?
Tobacco.
I think it's a restaurant
A long time ago. B&B, honey. Absolutely. We can get an Airbnb.
Let's see, God don't like ugly. God don't like ugly. Oh, where do the keys?
Why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but until you see my soul.